Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing a knotless braid, a red knotless braid with parallelogram parting. This is an interesting one. It's gonna be the same format where we go from behind the ears, you part here to here for your first two. If it's a medium, if it's a small, you divide that into three, but we're doing a medium size. And so here we go. I've done the first line, the first row at the bottom, and I'm just showing you how it goes. I'm still gonna be doing it in a brick clay pattern, meaning it's going to be resting, you know, the way a brick clay is being done. Basically, one will be resting on top of half of the other, just to, you know, give it fuller effect. And so each braid will be resting in the space between the bottom braids. I don't know if that's clear, but that's how I can really explain it right now. So it's brick clay. It's done even with box braids, and I'm gonna be doing it with this part. So all I'm doing is you're just gonna be angling your comb. As you can see, the rat tail comb goes towards the sides, so it's like you're just gonna be angling it sides, just as you see it. Basically, I would just let you guys watch. So while you're watching, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification. Go ahead and turn it on so you can watch, you know, all these beautiful videos that I put out here. Show your girl some love, encouragement to keep, you know, posting. And this is the knotless, so you already know how to do it if you've watched some of my video. And if you're new, welcome to the family. We just had in 3 strands of hair. When we start, you braid one time, you add in the 3 strands of hair, and boom, that's it. So I'm gonna let you just enjoy this as much as I enjoy doing this style. Okay. So here, as you can see, I braided the hair down first. I just added first strand. Go ahead and add in second and third, and just finish up the braid. So I added 3 equal strands to make it to make the braids come out neat and not lopsided. Okay, we don't want lopsided braids. And here I'm adding more hair because she wanted long. Yeah, long. So I'm just showing you what we have here so far. Boom. Can't you just see it? Just see it? It's just so beautiful. Just so beautiful. Alright, keep watching. Take note that this video is not much of the braiding. That's why we're not concentrating on paying attention to how to do knotless. It's more of the parts. I'm using the Eco Booster Edge Control. I like this particular one. A lot of my clients have not complained about it turning white, so that's a good thing. Yes. If you want to get your hair braided this way and you're in the Bronx, eat your girl up. Go to RaydiantStudio.com. If you're in New York, Westchester, and as you can see, we added the perm rods because she wants some curves at the ends, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the look with some mousse while we wait for the hot water to boil. So I'm gonna mousse it down, you know, all the nice silky finish. Your finishing also matters. You wanna, set everything that you've done, your artwork. Pump it spray because we want our, if there's any strands of hair hanging out, we want everything to stay inside, okay? We don't want no frizziness. No frizziness on the streets. And hit it up with the olive oil. The olive oil spray, for me, it's more for the braids to shine. I usually go ahead and add the growth oil from Bronner's Butter to the scalp itself, to moisturize the scalp itself. And I use the blow dryer to, set all of the products that we just added into the braids so it can like marinate, if that's a word you use for hair. Get in, set it all up, and and take away all the frizziness. See, the growth oil, I know I always do that. I told you I do that. So here we go, the growth oil. Get you a stylist that care about your hair, okay? That care for your growth. RaydiantStudio. So we dipped that in hot water already. So I'm taking out the rods. And we're gonna see the finished look. I love some braids with curves. Let me know in the comment section, do you like adding curves to your braids or you just like them bone straight? Look at that. Personally, I love some braids. I love curves. Any way I could get it. Permanent set curves, passion twists, goddess braids. Look at the parts. Concentrate on the parts. Zoom in. Okay, zoom in. Take a look at the part. It's a medium size. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. Welcome to the Radiant family. All right, see you next week. Bye-bye.